OS-01, represents the first commercially available senotherapeutic approach aimed at keeping the scalp biologically younger. Dermatologists reviewing the available data note that OS-1's strength lies in long-term scalp rejuvenation rather than rapid follicle activation. Very important distinction. In today's video, I'll break down the science, the human data so far, pros and cons. OS-1 is a targeted longevity peptide, also known as Decapeptide 52, developed and commercialized by OneSkin, a biotech company focused on reversing skin and tissue aging at the cellular level. Unlike drug class molecules such as PP405, OS-1 is already available in topical consumer form, formulated in the company's OS-01 face and OS-01 hair serums. The peptide was discovered during OneSkin's longevity research into cellular senescence, which is the biological process where cells stop dividing but don't die. These so-called zombie cells accumulate with age and secrete pro-inflammatory molecules. In the scalp, that inflammatory microenvironment can damage follicle stem cells, shrink dermal papilla cells, and accelerate miniaturization, the slow fading of follicles we see in pattern hair loss and aging hair. OS-1 works by reducing or modulating the activity of senescent cells. In OneSkin's laboratory studies, OS-1 was shown to lower expression of the P16 Inc4A and P21 genes, two classic markers of cellular senescence. When applied to scalp tissue, it improved mitochondrial function and reduced oxidative stress, creating a healthier environment for follicle growth. Then in 2023, OneSkin published internal results showing that after 6 months of daily use, OS-1 hair serum increased average hair thickness by about 42% and total hair count by nearly 40%. Additionally, participants reported improved scalp hydration and reduced breakage. Although these findings were released by the company and not yet peer-reviewed, which I think, is something to consider, the peptide itself is small enough to penetrate the epidermal barrier, which gives it an advantage over many cosmetic peptides that remain on the surface. So to summarize, OS-1 protects and rejuvenates the follicle environment by clearing age-related cellular noise. Before we get to evidence and clinical data, I want to tell you about a serum that I have developed that utilizes a groundbreaking and award-winning microalgae complex. The Hair Growth Boost Serum with Densital was formulated to target every major cause of thinning, from poor circulation to inflammation and DHT. My ASLF Hair Growth Boost Serum contains Densital, which is made from microalgae. Combine Densital with the Bicapil complex. And the serum also contains rosemary oil, ginger, and liquid fruit extract, and vitamins A and C. If you're dealing with thinning hair or you just want to support stronger, fuller hair growth, this formula targets the problem from every angle naturally. It's designed to boost scalp circulation, so more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair follicles, while also calming inflammation and oxidative stress, which are two of the biggest culprits behind slow or stalled growth. It even helps reduce DHT levels at the scalp, one of the main hormonal triggers of thinning hair. And unlike a lot of heavy or oily serums, this one has a light, non-greasy texture, so you can use it every day without weighing your hair down. I use it every other day and I leave it on overnight and then shampoo my hair the next day. Densital is a patented active ingredient complex that combines vitamin C with amino acids and microalgae extracts, specifically chlorella and spirulina. They support hair growth by stimulating collagen production, by energizing hair follicles, and by strengthening the scalp's extracellular matrix. In studies, Densital was shown to reactivate dormant follicles and significantly boost hair density. In a controlled clinical trial, participants using Densital experienced a 24% increase in the anagen phase, that's the active growth phase of the hair cycle, right, compared to the placebo group. What's powerful about Densital is that it works through multiple biological pathways. It enhances cellular metabolism in the hair bulb. It strengthens the anchoring proteins that keep hair rooted in the scalp and supports the surrounding extracellular matrix. The Hair Growth Boost Serum with Densital was formulated to target every major cause of thinning, from poor circulation to inflammation and DHT, all in one lightweight daily formula. And you can learn more and grab yours directly at agingslowlylivingfully.com. I'll put the link in the description box. And now back to the video. Chapter 3, Evidence and Clinical Data. Okay, OS-01. What does the data suggest? Instead of large regulated drug trials, OS-01's data come from independent lab studies, OneSkin's internal trials, and user-based tracking. What's notable is how consistently the peptide shows improvement in scalp tissue health markers, reduced inflammatory signaling, higher collagen expression, and better mitochondrial performance, even when hair density outcomes vary. Dermatologists reviewing the available data note that OS-01's strength lies in long-term scalp rejuvenation rather than rapid follicle activation. Very important distinction. In this way, it functions as a preventative, maintenance-based therapy, helping create the optimal biological environment for other growth stimulants to work. Future peer-reviewed studies will be crucial, right, to confirm its effects on different hair loss types and to quantify its synergy when layered with metabolic or hormonal treatments. So, what's the takeaway? OS-01, while backed by smaller scale and largely internal data, represents the first commercially available senotherapeutic approach aimed at keeping the scalp biologically younger. Now let's talk about what that means in real life, the pros, the cons. Okay, OS-01 advantages. OS-01 targets a biologically relevant age-linked mechanism, senescence, and it has potential to complement other treatments like PRP, microneedling, etc., by improving the scalp microenvironment. Now, OS-01 weaknesses. The clinical data is not robust at all so far. Much is still unpublished or internal, and as a peptide serum, potency, stability, delivery, and penetration are key hurdles. And it also may have more modest results unless the rest of your scalp and follicles remain responsive. So, best use cases. Someone with early thinning may combine OS-01 with conventional therapies like minoxidil, low-level laser therapy. Here's how I personally structure a strategy. I would use OS-01 daily or as directed to keep chronic senescence inflammation in check in my scalp, and I would combine it with supportive protocols like microneedling, PRP, exosomes, Wharton's jelly, which is very expensive, right? These injections cost a lot of money, but also serums with antioxidants like the ASLF hair growth boost serum. And also proper scalp care, right? Don't use scorching hot water to shampoo your hair. Use a really good shampoo that's free of sulfates and parabens. And then monitor your results with photos. And that's it for today. If you learned something, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Check out my hair serum at agingslowly-livingfully.com, and I'll see you next time.